Welcome in my tutorials about Microsoft Word. Today I'm going to teach about how to use tabs and its features. Features found in the Home tab including clipboard, font, paragraph, style, and editing. So in these features, we are going to see all parts found in these features and the use of its all parts found in every feature. Let me remind you before we proceed, don't forget to subscribe on my YouTube channel because after tutorial number 3, I will provide some assignment, testing, and examination. So read careful or follow every tutorial so that you can perform well assignment, testing, and examination. Also, don't forget to take my WhatsApp number because this examination, test, and assignment will be performed through WhatsApp number. So, in order to submit or to attempt all necessary assignment, text, and examination, you need to take my WhatsApp number and I will communicate through WhatsApp number. Let we proceed. Now we go to our Home tab. As said before, this Home tab involves features like clipboard, font, paragraph, style, and editing, find, replace, and select part. Now in Home tab, within clipboard there is words like cut, copy, paste, and font pointer. How to use these features? Before we use these features, you need to point or select the point you want to cut, copy. This word cut and copy are forwarded by the word paste. After cut, you need to paste. After copy, you need to paste. Now I need to cut. Cut means you need to move words from one position to another position. And copy, you need to duplicate that words. You need to produce a copy. Let's start with cut. I need to move or cut these words. Step number 1 is to select or highlight these words. I need to highlight. After highlighting, as you see here, I need to cut. Let me click on cut. After cut, you see here these words disappearing here, and I need to go to my place where I wanted this word to be appearing. Now I want to appear here. As you see, my display is appearing in this place. Now after indicating my display here, I need to click the word paste. Now I'm clicking here. As you see, in this paste words there is 4 options. This option number 1 is to copy or paste the same as the origin, and this place you paste in imaging formatting, and this you keep picture only, and this you keep text only. Me, I want to take as the source. Now I'm pressing here. After pressing here, you see the words moved from here to here. That's why this is a cutting and pasting process. Another thing found in a clipboard is copy. Copy is to produce a copy or a pair, the same pair of the words. Now the process is to highlight. I want to highlight. After highlighting, I'm going back to copy. Now I'm copying here. After copy, I'm going to my position where I need this word to appear. Now I'm indicating the pointer here. After indicating the pointer and the sprayer here, I'm going back to the word paste. Pasting, there is option, and I'm going to option number 1. In option number 1, I'm clicking this option number 1. Now you see the copy appearing here. The words appearing here is the same word appearing to this place. That's why is already copy. And this option you can find it through this down arrow. You can click this down arrow. This down arrow enable you to find another option like paste all, clear all, and this down arrow you see there is zoom, resize, and cross. Now let me cross and move to feature number 2. This feature number 2 is font. Font is feature number 2, which enable you to find another instructions like bold, italic, underline, and font size, font style, minimize words, and change the case of the words, and another option as you see here. Now I need to bold. To bold is to increase the size of your letter or words. Now I need to select first the place where I need to bold. Let me select in this word too. After selecting, now I'm going to the word bold, B, in this letter B. After pressing this process, you see the letters decreased because this is an bold. In the bold form, I need to press the word B. As you see here, the size of the letter or word C increased. That's why it's bold. Another thing is italic. Italic found in the feature of font. This is italic. Italic. Now you need to press on italic. You see, this word is a bending. Bending. That's why is italic. Maybe you need to underline these words. Underline these words. You need to keep the line under these words. Now you press in the word U with a line below U. Now you see our line is underlined. If you want to remove this line, you need to select 2 and go back to underline press. Now you see underline the line you need to press underline, and now you see the line is disappearing. Also, you can remove the word italic by go back to italic again, press, or unbold by pressing back to B. Also, you can change font style. I means the style of your words by clicking on down arrow. You see there is different font style including Times New Roman, Calibri Light, Calibri, and other many others font style. Also, you can change. You can need to increase the size of your font. I mean font size. Here there's different font size. Here the maximum is 72, but you can increase more than 72 by pressing this letter A. This letter A is up arrow. You can increase the size more than 72 by pressing the key, the letter A with up arrow to the maximum as you need, as you see here. Also, you can increase these words to the size you need by pressing this letter A with down arrow. Now you can change the case of these words. Maybe you need to change to uppercase or lowercase by pressing this A, letter A, small letter A, and big letter A. By pressing here, now you see the options: lowercase, uppercase, capitalize each words, and the toggle case. Now, if you press in uppercase, now the words change to uppercase, and if you press on lowercase, the words change to lowercase. If you capitalize each words, now you see each first letter of each word now change to uppercase, as you see here. Also, another thing is subscript, I means appearing below, and superscript appearing above. Now we go to another part of text effect. Text effect, you need to change this effect of your text. Now you need to select the place wherever you want to change this text. Maybe I need to change these letters. Now you see there is different text effect, as you see here. Now you see there is different text effect. Now let me skip to another feature or instruction. After selecting these words, I need to perform my action. I'm go back to highlighting. This highlighting, I want to highlight. Highlighting means you need to make highlight, or you make point as visible as you need. Highlight. Now you select and choose any kind of color you need to highlight. Now maybe I want to highlight with yellow color or green color or red color. Whatever you want, you need to highlight like this one. If you want to remove this highlighting, you must select these words and go back to highlight. Now you do no color. Now the highlighted area is unhighlighted. Also, you need to change the color of your words. In order to change the color of your words, you need to go in this place with letter A. Below there is color red. I need to change the color of the words. Now maybe I need to change the color to this blue color. This blue color, as you see here, the color of my words is changed. Now, as you see here, this is symbols. This is symbols. I want to use more instruction instead of these symbols. In order to get it, I need to press in this down arrow. In this down arrow, now as you see here, there is alternative options. Instead of this symbol, I can get it by using letters or instructions. As you see here, there is font style, size, there is font, there is color, there is superscript and subscript, there is struck through, there is small cap, there is all caps, there is hidden, and this is a preview of your fonts. Also, you can go to advanced. Now you can use by using scales and an instruction about font. Also, maybe you need to cut or to make stuck through line. I mean the line in mid of your words. You need to press on this stuck through. Now you see this stuck through means this word is cancelled. Now if you need to uncancel, you need to go back to stuck through effect. Now this line is disappearing. Thank you very much for listening me. Don't forget to subscribe for next tutorial number 3. As I said before, after tutorial number 3, I will provide to you a possible assignment, testing and examination. Thank you very much. God bless you.